The Cooler Master HAF 500 white PC case is a masterpiece of design and functionality, perfect for those seeking high-volume airflow and superior cooling performance. This mid-tower case comes with two massive 200mm ARGB fans pre-installed on the front, ensuring an impressive intake of air through the mesh panel. The ARGB lighting of these fans can be customized via the included ARGB hub, allowing you to tailor the aesthetics to match your build perfectly. In addition to the front fans, the HAF 500 also includes a 120mm ARGB fan at the rear and a unique 120mm GPU fan mounted on top of the HDD cage. This rotatable GPU fan is specifically designed to target your graphics card, providing extra cooling where it's most needed. With the capacity to support up to 8 120mm fans and multiple radiator configurations, including two 360mm radiators on the front and top and a 120mm radiator at the rear, this case offers versatile cooling options for any setup. The tempered glass side panel not only provides a stunning view of your internal components, but also features a tool-free design for easy access. The fully removable top panel further simplifies the assembly process, making it easier to install radiators and fans. When it comes to hardware support, the HAF 500 excels. It can accommodate a wide range of motherboards, from IDX to extended ATX, and has ample space for CPU coolers up to 167mm in height, GPUs up to 410mm in length, and power supplies up to 180mm. This flexibility ensures that you can build a high-performance system without worrying about compatibility issues. Connectivity is another strong point of the HAF 500. The I/O panel includes two USB 3.2 Gen 1 ports, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, an audio jack, and a reset ARGB button, providing you with all the necessary connections for modern peripherals and fast data transmission. In conclusion, the Cooler Master HAF 500 white PC case is a top-tier choice for any builder looking to combine high-volume airflow, versatile cooling options, and robust hardware support in a stylish and accessible package. Whether you're a seasoned PC enthusiast or a first-time builder, this case offers everything you need for a high-performance and aesthetically pleasing system. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.